What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, I am bringing you a demo and swatches of the new colored Raine Cheers to the Beauty makeup palette. This palette was recently released back in December. Now y'all already know how I feel about colored Raine's eyeshadows ever since 2016 when they released the Queen of Hearts palette. I have been hooked. All right, some specs about this eyeshadow palette. It is $56. Again, it is still available on the website. When they come out with palettes like this, they are limited editions. So if you have not grabbed it, you better get on it, girl. I don't believe that you can use any discount codes with that, so that's something to note as well. But yeah, so here is what the palette looks like. Take her in, she cute, right? Okay, so all of the colors are vegan except for Debonair. If you guys want to see swatches, I will include a clip here. I didn't want to go too into depth swatching one by one. It just takes way too much time. As you can see, the shadows are freaking beautiful. Let me look. Okay, so in the palette, there are 5 mattes, 2 foils, 5 shimmer pearls, and 1 highlight shade. And again, you'll see all of the swatches here. I just wanted to show them really quickly for you guys. I didn't want to, like I said, I didn't want to swatch one by one. It just takes a lot of time. You just want to see how it looks on my skin tone, right? So there you are. This is the look that I actually wore on New Year's Eve. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen where I posted a picture the other day asking you guys if you want to see it. So here it is. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, please stay tuned and I will see you guys later. Peace.